This is the largest Smokey Bear in the world. And they did an excellent job, and I just found them to be so creative and just very nice work. You making?
An eagle's nest.
Oh my gosh, an eagle's nest. How long does it take for you to make an eagle's nest with the eagle on it?
Never done it before, I can tell you.
Oh, so it's your first time doing this project.
Custom piece for a few couples down in Wyoming.
Oh, wonderful. And then you end up mailing that to them, or they come pick? Yeah, because it would be too heavy to ship, right?
Yeah, and too delicate with all the pieces that could break here.
Okay, but that's nice to know that people can custom order. Okay, and I see your sign that you say that we make custom signs. Okay, so I will see your wife and she could give me your contact information. Okay, sounds good.
Hi guys, welcome to Hill City in the heart of the hills, here in the Black Hills of South Dakota. My name is Jenny, and if you want to see our wonderful wood sculptures all made with chainsaw, come and check out Jordan Dahl's chainsaw art here in Hill City, right across of the 8080 train. Don't miss out on world's largest Smokey Bear sculpture here on our property and snap a picture with him. I hope to see you soon, anytime between May and end of October, but we're open for you year round. See you soon!
A bear claws chair. How cute. It's a cool looking buffalo. So I'll let you guess how much that bear costs. It is $900. And the friendly little neighbor bear, he costs $450. I can remember my son always loved the Ninja Turtles when he was younger. And it's amazing that they're still around. Actually, I think both of my boys really enjoyed the Ninja Turtles. That looks like a really nice restaurant, and they have lodging over there. The Small Museum is a private corporation specializing in the excavation and preparation of fossils. Several dinosaurs hang from the ceiling: T-Rex, Stan, and Triceratops, and other dinosaurs. There are educational exhibits and real dinosaur bones to touch. There is a wide selection of fossils and minerals.
Hi, we're the Alpaca Store in Hill City. We have handmade alpaca goods from Peru. Right here we have one of our rugs. You can use them as wall hangings, bed covers, rugs, really whatever you like. They're all hand sheared and then sewed in. The backs are kind of soft. Some of them have quilted backs on them. Other than that, some things about alpaca. To clean them, you really just brush them up with baby powder every once in a while.
That's pretty easy to clean, isn't it? Just that's all you have to do is use like a powder.
To clean it, it dry shampoos it when you just brush it through with baby powder a little bit every once in a while, and that'll keep it fluffy and soft forever. This is an alpaca jacket. I actually bought one just like it not too long ago. I use it for skiing. It's really warm. It's 7 times warmer than any wool you can find. To clean these guys, you just wash them on cool with no irritator, and then you just lay them out flat to dry. And they're pretty easy to just keep clean.
They don't shrink or anything that way.
No, they don't shrink.
That's wonderful.
Yeah, they don't shrink. We have moccasins, dresses, sweaters, rugs, and I hope to see you drop in.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
This horse is made out of all scrap metal. Pretty interesting piece of art. So I'm in Turtletown, and we came in for some ice cream.
Ice mocha with almond milk. Thank you.
Turtletown has really good ice cream, and their chocolate looks good. And at the beef jerky store, they have many different varieties of beef jerky. So I guess this is a franchise store, so you may see them in other locations. There's a nice little grill over here, saloon and grill. And then there's just a lot of shops. So it's a nice place to come and visit.
So this is the Black Hills Central Railroad, also known as the 1880 train in Hill City, South Dakota. We've been here since 1957, operating steam locomotive excursion trains for tourists that visit Mount Rushmore and the general Black Hills area. We run from mid-May all the way to mid-October with our steam locomotive rides, and that's every day, 7 days a week. Midsummer we have up to 4 departures daily from Hill City and 3 round-trip options from Keystone, and those are the 2 towns nearest to Mount Rushmore. Come winter time, the 5 weekends or so between Thanksgiving and Christmas, we also operate our holiday express trains. We use a diesel locomotive for that from the 1950s, and the same train cars that you see behind us go to our halfway point, which we call the North Pole at Christmas time, and Santa gets on and visits all the kids on the way back into town. So again, we've been doing it since 1957. We have 2 large steam locomotives that are pretty much twin brothers, came out of the Pacific Northwest. Both worked for Weyerhaeuser Lumber at one point and Rayonier Lumber as well. We brought them here to South Dakota and restored them over a number of years. It takes us about 4.5 years to restore the locomotives.
Well, thank you so much.
You
I
bet.
really appreciate all that information.
Yep.
Just having a good day, having a good day, having a real good morning. I'm just having a good day, having a good day, having a
If I had 1,000 tongues, I would sing with everyone. Voices like a mountain song. Sing, you are my only one. Oh my, oh my, oh my days. Life is wonderful. Life is wonderful. Never understood, but life can be this good. I would launch 1,000 ships just to be about your lips, tell them all to sail away, just to see you every day. Oh my, oh my, oh my days. Life is wonderful. Life is wonderful.
Hi, I'm Mike Lewis with the South Dakota State Railroad Museum in Hill City, South Dakota. Basically, we're here to show the public what railroading is all about from the South Dakota perspective. It was hard for the pioneers and for the folks that came out for gold to cross the state with the gumbo and all that, and once the rails got put in, why, things happened really quick. So anyhow, we'd love to have you come. We have a full-size caboose inside you can look at. A lot of interaction things. We have a 37-foot HO display, so if you're in this area, please feel free to stop by and take a look. Thanks.
Well, thank you so much.
You bet. Thank you.
I remember as a boy how it was.